It's Keith. Quick little video. I'm going to show you how to start a window cleaning business from absolutely nothing. I actually just bought a couple things from Lowe's, but I'm going to walk you over and show you exactly what to do. So you walk up in Lowe's. Home Depot has this stuff too, but Lowe's has the Ebook brand, which is a lot better. So you walk over to the cleaning section, and here you go. You grab this for 20 bucks, a squeegee and a scrubber, or you can get the one that articulates, which I like better for when you're using a pole on an angle. See, there's a scrubber. You can grab some Dawn dish soap and vinegar, mix that up, or some squeegee off by Ebook, and then a pole right here, probably an 8-foot pole, extension pole. So a squeegee, a scrubber, a pole, a bucket, or a Lowe's bucket because it's blue, and some microfiber towels for 10 bucks. Boom, you're in business. Get some business cards made at vistaprint.com and go knock up and down doors. Say, hi, my name's Joe. I own a local window cleaning business. I'm expanding in this area. Do you have anybody who currently cleans your windows? Yes, no, maybe so. Great, I'll clean your windows for 15 bucks. Yes, no, maybe so. Doesn't matter. Keep next, and you could build an entire business in a week. There you go. That's how you start a window cleaning business from nothing. Now these are the windows inside of Lowe's. I wouldn't try to get Lowe's as an account, just too much upfront work. But here you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, so probably 4 bucks a window. That's 16 right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 12 times 4. What's that? 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Those are big windows, so they're double windows, right? So it's actually 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So it's 8 bucks a window, right? That's 80 bucks plus 36. So that's what, 106. And then the other side is identically the same. So that's 212 plus this, about 220. Now, whoa, they're not gonna pay that. No, hell no, they're not gonna pay that. Those are kind of like national window cleaning average homeowner prices, right? But I would say, I don't know, 60 bucks for all this. Realistically, what you would really get. And then if you do the other entrances, 6, 12, 18, 180 bucks. You could probably get, let's say you could get 180 bucks for cleaning the windows here each time. So if you have a bunch of stores, you can make 300, 400, 500 bucks a day off $50 in materials. You get what I'm saying? Now, I'm making it sound easier than it is, and it takes time to build up that momentum, but I mean, you could really make $500 a day cleaning windows. It really starts with the belief that you can actually do it. And you don't believe, most people don't believe anything. I didn't believe it until I went out and did it. And I was like, is this really happening? Is the universe playing a joke on me? You know what I'm saying? Like, you literally, the first time you make $500 a day cleaning windows, you feel like the universe is playing a joke on you. Here's the real truth. Here's what it is. I know what it is. Well, at least anybody like me. I grew up extremely poor, poverty, all that bullshit, poverty-minded, victim-minded, loser-ass fucking people trying to brainwash all that shit out of my brain. But we were brought up to think you gotta get a job. We were brought up to think that thinking that it's a scarce world. There's no work and no money and nothing out here, and you're lucky if you get a fucking crumb. Bullshit. Bullshit. There's so much money and abundance in work out here. It's insane. There's so much work that you can't even do all the work. That's how much work is out there. So you can absolutely make $500 a day cleaning windows like it's a joke. The real challenge is learning how to grow beyond yourself in leadership and grow a business. Like, those are my growing pains right now, learning how to grow a business. So very excited. All right, I'll give him a shout out. Joshua Latimer's Automate, Grow, Sell program. I'm actually in it right now. Awesome. Absolutely awesome. It's challenging too. All right, cool. I got to get back to work because we did a whole house for, it was $259 to clean the windows inside and out plus screens. And I forgot to clean the basement windows on the inside. There's like some low down basement windows. So I'm running back to the customer's house to clean them real quick, and I'll see you on the flip flop.